The dodo bird was a flightless bird that lived on the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. It evolved from flying pigeons millions of years ago, but because there were no predators, it lost the ability to fly. In 1598, humans arrived on the island. Dodos were hunted, and animals like rats and pigs destroyed their eggs. Within less than 100 years, the dodo became extinct. It was one of the first animals wiped out by humans. Today, the dodo is a symbol of extinction and a reminder of why protecting wildlife matters.